hands towards me. आप लोग सब मेरी ओर इस तरह से हाथ रखिए. आता डोळे मिटून घ्या. प्लीज क्लोज योर आईज. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. और संतुलन के लिए सबसे पहले आप हमारी ओर, मैं अंग्रेजी में कहूँगी, लेफ्ट हैंड करिए और राइट हैंड जमीन पर रखिए. प्लीज पुट योर लेफ्ट हैंड टुवर्ड्स मी एंड राइट हैंड ऑन द मदर अर्थ फॉर द बॅलन्स. डावा हात माझ्याकडे करायचा आणि उजवा हात जमिनीवर ठेवायचा. संतुलनासाठी धर्माचा सर्वसार हेच आहे. आपल्यात संतुलन नाही आणि संतुलनासाठी डावा हात माझ्याकडे आणि उजवा हात जमिनीकडे करायचा. Put the right hand towards me and left hand upwards. राइट हैंड हमारी तरफ, लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर की ओर. उजवा हात माझ्याकडे आणि डावा हात वर. और करिए. Put both the hands towards. Rest them on your lap. आपल्या मांडीवर आरामात दोन्ही हात अशी ठेवून.
श्री गणेश अथर्व शीर्ष।
ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं करतासि त्वमेव केवलं धरतासि त्वमेव केवलं हरतासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमिष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवः स्वरो गणादीन् पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीन् तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अरधेन्दुलसितम् तारेण हृद्गम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपम् गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादः सन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्रुतगायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकम् रक्तवाससम् रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गम् रक्तपुष्पैः सुभूषितम् भक्ताङ्कम्पिनम् देवम् जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतम् च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवम् ध्यायति यो नित्यम् स योगी योगिनाम् वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Jai Shri Mataji. We bow to our Divine Mother, Shri Mataji. We thank you for having given us this opportunity to be in this collective meditation today. Your lotus feet are lodged in our hearts, and we know that your love and blessings are ever flowing through our Sahasrara into our subtle system. We invoke Shri Ganesha and Shri Kartikeya to help us in our ascent. With all humility, we pray to you, Shri Mataji. Please get this meditation done through us as per your wish. We are your humble servants and your instruments. Please help us in our ascent. We recite the Nirmal Ganesh Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namah. We pray to Lord Kartikeya to remove all the obstacles from all our chakras and nadis and help the Kundalini to rise. Shri Kartikeya Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namah. we pray to our Mother Kundalini to please make way upwards. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kundalini Mata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Follow the Kundalini, put your attention and experience the flow through the subtle system with Rag Purya Dhanashri flute. Observe the Kundalini rising, clearing all the chakras one after the other. It's Sri Mataji who is getting it done. So we have to be in this witness state and allow everything that's happening and going on and just enjoy the experience. we enjoy the blissful state when the Sahasrara opens out and we feel the flow from the lotus feet of Shri Mataji coming in straight through our Sahasrara and becoming one. Advait is what we experience, no duality. Shri Mataji, please take us out of this ordeal of past and present and future and always keep us at your lotus feet. Let our past karmas be dissolved in the Param Chaitanya. We put our right hand on the back head and recite Shri Mahaganesha mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahaganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namah. We continue to enjoy this blissful state, being detached from all our past without going into the future. Enjoy the love and blessings that are flowing from Shri Mataji's lotus feet onto our Sahasrara and the palms. We dwell into this ocean of love and thank you, Shri Mataji, for this blissful state. Please always keep us blessed and always enjoying this collective meditative state. We thank you, Shri Mataji, for having given us this wonderful state. We follow Shri Mataji's advice and guidance and continue in this state. Jai Shri Mataji.
So welcome to you all, Sahayogis, to this great country of yoga. Today, first of all, we have to establish our desire within ourselves that we are seekers and that we have to achieve our full growth and maturity. Today's puja is for the whole universe. The whole universe should be enlightened with your desires. Your desires should be so intense that they should emit out the pure vibrations of Mahakali Shakti, which is the pure desire of attaining the spirit. That's the real desire. All the other desires are like mirage. You are the people who are chosen by God. Especially first to express your desire and then to achieve it. And by intense desire of purity, you have to purify the whole world. Not only the seekers, but even those who are not seekers. You have to create an aura around this universe of desire to achieve the ultimate, the spirit. I think you have to value much more of your attention than me, because I can manage many more things within myself, because everything is in my attention. But you try to purify your desires away from the worldly problems that are facing you. So you expand it more, then you start thinking, Mother, what about the problem of our country? Alright, give me the map of your country, finished. That's more than sufficient. Then purify yourself. The desire that you have, you leave it. And once you are purified, that area will be covered through your attention. It's very interesting. When you get over it, then only you can throw light. But if you are inside, you are hidden by that. Your light is hidden, there is no light emitted. You are rise above that desire. Every time you get a desire, you rise above. So your light is emitted on that wider problem that you are facing, which you think should be solved by me. These are all my headaches which you are taking on yourself. You have to do only one thing, is to become the spirit. That's all. It's a simple thing. The rest of it is my headache. Now the problems that should take your desire on the collective should be very different. To substantiate your purity, to be fragrant with your purity, your attention should be on the other side. Now you are not facing me, you are sitting with me facing the whole world. See, the whole attitude will change. The attitude should be, what can I give? How can I give? What is my mistake in giving? I have to be more alert. Where is my attention? I have to be more alert towards myself. What am I doing? What's my responsibility? You must desire that you should be pure. You should be pure desire. That means you should be the spirit. That what is your responsibility to yourself? You should desire that your responsibility to yourself should be manifested, should be complete. Then your responsibility to this Sahaja Yoga. What is your responsibility to Sahaja Yoga? Which is the work of God, which has started, and you are my hands. You have to do the work of God, and you have to fight the anti-God elements, the satanic elements. You are not responsible for your family anymore. Those who are the half-baked Sahaja Yogis, I said, are useless, absolutely good for nothing. All such will drop out, their families will suffer. I know this is going to happen. Because now the forces are gathering in such a way that sorting out will start. Your responsibility to yourself to be the spirit. Your responsibility to Sahaja Yoga. Your responsibility to understand me better and better and better. Your responsibility to understand this mechanism that is within you. Your responsibility to understand how this mechanism works out everything. The responsibility is to how to become a guru yourself. Your responsibility to be a dignified and a glorified personality. A responsibility to be a respectable person and not a cheap personality. Every one of you is worth the whole universe. If you want to rise to that height. Universes of universes can be thrown away at your feet. If you want to rise to that height, to that magnitude, that is within you to prosper. Thus, today we have to start this puja on Mahakali Day. And it's the day of the Gauri, we can say, and Ganesh Gauri's day today. Though according to the scheduled time it may not be. But according to me, let us establish within ourselves on a subtler level the desire to be pure and to be cleansed out. All the barriers and unclean things that are within us. To desire to be great Sahaja Yogis. Desire to be responsible Sahaja Yogis. And desire to be surrendered to your mother. It's not difficult. That is the easiest. The last one is the easiest. Because what you surrender, I don't want anything from you except that you accept my love. Surrendering just means you open your heart to accept my love. Give up this ego. That's all. And it will work out. I'm sure it's going to work out. I'm trying to push myself into your hearts, and I'll definitely settle down there.
May God bless you for today's puja. I hope all of you will take it in such a way that the subtlest of subtle will be awakened within you, the sensitivity everywhere, and the love which culminates into joy. Love that flowers into the fragrance of joy will manifest in today's puja. May God bless you.